Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to find saved posts on Facebook. Alright, first find the video that you want to save. I have no idea where this video is about, but I want to save this video. So from here, tap on the three dots just right there and then tap on save video. Now I can save it in my collection, check for later, but we can also create a new collection by tapping on that and then do funny videos. Tap on create and now this video is saved in funny videos. Now if I tap on menu and I tap on the icon just right here saved and I refresh this page, you will see that I saved this video in funny videos, and if I tap on that and I tap on the video, I can see the video again. Alright, this is how it works, and if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.